All right, guys. Welcome to another lesson of today. If it's the first time you're watching my video, I want you to give a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss on any of my video. Give a comment below. Okay. All right. So today I will be showing you another licks for worship songs. Another licks you can apply in your worship songs. Okay. So the first one there is. So for the sake of this lesson, I'm doing it in the key of D. So the first lick there you should know is La ti do ti la so mi, la ti do ti la so mi, re mi so re do. Okay, la ti do ti la so mi, re mi so re do. But you slide the re, the mi from mi to the do. Okay, so alright, so that is the first lick. The second lick I want you to know for the sake of today is I want you to play something like this. What am I playing there is re mi so, re mi so, re mi. Okay, re mi so mi re. So okay, so keep working on that. Work on those two licks. I will make a video of how to apply it. So subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Okay, stay tuned and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss on my video. When I'm going to upload a new video, you'll be able to be the first person to watch. Okay, so work on those videos. The first one is the second one is right. Thanks for watching. Bye.